Now, corresponding in the following case, determine the oscillation of the block. So, how can we determine? First of all, I know that this surface is smooth surface, that is 2 kg block, and that is 30 degree, and here 20 Newton applied, inclined plane, okay, direction upward 20 Newton. So, first of all, we have focus on block diagram of this system, okay. So, how can make? That is 20K, that is 2 kg block, and that is inclined plane, and this angle is 30 degree, clear or not? Okay, clear or not? First one, we have considered system, that is 2 kg block, like this one, and second one, we have focus on indirect contact force and direct contact force. First one, indirect contact force. After that, second one, we have focus on direct contact force. Clear or not? Indirect contact force due to earth, simply due to earth attract to 2 kg block with how much? 20 Newton, 2 into G. So, earth apply on 2 kg block how much? 2G, that is called 20 Newton. That is indirect contact force, or you can say that field force, or you can say that gravitational force applied by earth. How much? 20 Newton. That direction is downward. Clear or not? Now, next one, we have focus on direct contact force. Direct contact force applied by external force 20 Newton in upward direction. Second one, that surface, this is direct contact surface. So, direct contact force apply here in which direction? Upward, normal, perpendicular to the surface. Normal force always work on perpendicular to the surface. So, direction is N1, like that one, and that is 20 Newton. Clear or not? This is the complete free body diagram of 2 kg block. Clear or not? This is the complete free body diagram of 2 kg block. Clear or not? So, you can say that is 20 Newton, and this one is 20 Newton, okay, and here N1. Clear or not? After that, this one is 30 degree. What about that angle? This is also 30 degree. I have already discussed. Why? If this is 30, that is 90 degree, and that one is 60 degree. Okay, this one is 60 degree, and this whole scenario is 90. So, 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. Clear or not? So, if you make here, that is 30 degree. Clear or not? That is 30 degree. Now, next target is motion of the block 2 kg is going on upward direction in an inclined plane or downward in inclined plane. There are two possibility. 2 kg moving along upward direction in the plane or downward on the plane. Okay, clear or not? No, this one is moving along perpendicular to the plane. Clear or not? So, you can say that net force along perpendicular to the plane is 0. Net force along perpendicular to the plane is 0. So, you can say that net force along perpendicular to the plane is 0. Clear or not? It means, clear or not? First of all, make it. After that, so we have taken that one is capital X and that one is capital Y direction. We have assumed we have vertical component along, you can say that vertical component along to the plane. This one is the vertical component corresponding to that plane. If this is considered capital X and that is capital Y, along this direction, resultant force is 0. Okay, resultant force is 0. So you can say that this is capital Y and that is capital X. So all component resolving capital X direction and capital Y direction. Okay. Now, so how can do? That's why this is 20 Newton along 20 cos 30 degree. Along this one, that is 20 sin 30 degree. Clear or not? Okay. There are two components of 20 Newton along capital Y direction, that is 20 cos 30 degree, along capital X direction, that is, it is basically this one is opposite, this one is opposite to capital X, that is 20 sin 30 degree. Okay. Now, after that, in which direction net force is 0? Along capital Y. So you can say that capital Y, summation of capital Y is 0. Net force along capital Y direction is 0. So you can say that N1 balance to N1 this will be equal to only possibility if N1 this will be equal to 20 cos 30 degree. So N1 this will be equal to 20 cos 30 degree. So 20 into cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, 10 root 3 Newton. That is 10 root 3 Newton. Okay, clear or not? So normal force on the plane, that is 10 root 3 Newton. Clear or not? Make it. After that, we have focus on our motto. We have focus on what about A? Clear? So make it. After that, now this one going on upward or downward. So basically 10 sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So at 20 sin 30, that is 1 by, we got 10 Newton in opposite direction of capital X. Okay. It means it is sure this whole system going on upward direction, because this one is 20 Newton and that is 10 Newton. No, the surface is smooth, so no frictional force available here. So basically 20 minus 10, you can say that 20 minus 10, it is along capital X direction. So you can say that F of capital X is this equal to mass into acceleration. This one is provide unbalanced force, okay, along the plane must be not 0, okay, because 20 minus 10, this will be equal to 10 Newton along capital X positive direction. Clear or not? In positive direction, it means we got unbalanced force along capital X direction. We got unbalanced force along capital X direction. So summation of f of x, this will be equal to ma. Okay. Now net force 20 minus 10, this will be equal to what about mass, that is 2. What about A? We have determined A. So 20 minus 10, that is 10 divided by 2, we got 5 meter per second square is the final answer. Make it.